Castor oil, a popular massage oil for arthritic joints, sore muscles, and nerve inflammation, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Its ricinoleic acid component enhances its effectiveness. A healthy lymphatic system is crucial for maintaining proper blood flow and preventing circulatory issues. It interacts with the cardiovascular system, affecting organs like the heart, lung, and brain. Castor oil's positive impact on the lymphatic system may enhance circulation and heart health. Castor oil can provide glowing skin by supporting the liver. Apply it to a flannel, place it on the liver area under your right breast, leave it for at least an hour, wrap it in cling film, and leave overnight. Castor oil can help restore the body's lymphatic system by addressing drainage issues and flow disruptions by applying packs to lymph nodes, facilitating quick absorption. Castor oil can help insomnia patients by promoting healthy circulation and relaxation. Rub it along the eyelids before bed, promoting healthy circulation and reducing habit-forming medication, ultimately aiding in sleep. Ringworm, a common skin condition causing a ring-shaped, red rash, can be effectively treated with castor oil, which contains N-deselenic acid, an antifungal agent that kills the infection. Castor oil is a natural laxative that temporarily relieves constipation and cleanses the bowel by stimulating muscle movement in the intestines and allowing impacted fecal matter to pass through the colon walls. Castor oil is a natural remedy used to induce labor in pregnant women, particularly full-term women. It activates EP3 prostanoid receptors in the uterus and attaches to muscle molecules in both intestines and uterus. Castor oil, rich in fatty acids, hydrates and moisturizes dry, chapped lips. Apply it daily or create a soothing topical treatment by mixing it with glycerin and lemon juice before bed. Castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, can effectively relieve menstrual cramps and period pain by acting as an anti-inflammatory and analgesic agent, making it an ideal choice for use in castor oil packs.